Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Salamun alaikum. The fourth part of Hikmah number 211. Imam Ali alayhi salam says, وَالصُّلُوُ عِوَزُكَ مِمَّنْ غَدَرَ. He says that ostracization is the punishment of the one who deceives you. Get as far away from that person. Cut them out of your life. No good will come out of that relationship. And indeed, there are various groups that the narrations tell us to avoid. One such narration says that the human being must avoid at all costs the oppressive king, the sinful enemy, وَصَدِيقُ الْغَادَرِ, and the deceptive friend. Get away from that person. We have many examples in Islamic history of famous deceptions. In Surah Al-Hashr of the Holy Quran, a surah that is recommended to be recited at times of difficulties, especially in extreme difficulty, it is said that recite a 2 rakat salah. After Surah Al-Hamd, in every rak'ah, recite Surah Al-Hashr, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove that difficulty from your life. But what is the story behind Surah Al-Hashr? At the start of it, it talks about a deception that was conceived by 3 tribes that were in Medina at the time that the Holy Prophet did Hijrah and came to that city. These 3 tribes, Bani Qurayza, Bani Qaynuqa, and Bani Nazir, all 3 of them had a pact with the Holy Prophet. But all 3 of them broke their pact. They broke their treaties with the Prophet, which resulted in the Holy Prophet banishing them from Medina. They were great deceivers. Other examples, Talha and Zubayr, individuals who knew who Imam Ali was, especially someone like Zubayr, who was so close to Imam Ali. But yet come the battle of Jamal, and they forget all the promises that they made to Imam Ali, and they're ready to fight against him. Deception is a bad sin. When you look at the narrations that talk about deception, it says the one who deceives someone has no deen. The one who is a deceiver is headed straight to hell. And it's amongst those sins that God will punish in this world. Imam Al-Baqir alayhi salam, he says that there are 4 such sins that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala won't wait until the akhirah. He will punish the individual in this world. And who are those? Those who do bad, first group. Those who do bad to the people who have only done good towards them. The second person that will be punished in this world, the one who oppresses a group of people who are innocent and have never oppressed him. The third, the one that does qat'i raham, that cuts off blood ties with his kin, even though his kin try and do sila raham, try and reconnect with him, try and meet that individual. And then the fourth individual who will face his punishment in this dunya is the one who breaks his promise and he breaks the trust with a person who hasn't broken their promise with him or their trust with him. Stay away, Amirul Mu'mineen is saying, from the deceiver. وَالصُّلُوُّ عِوَزُكَ مِمَّنْ غَدَرَ. It's the punishment of the deceiver. You've been deceived by someone, move away from them. And the greatest deceiver is Shaitan himself. We need to seek distance from him. Cut off all of the paths that he uses to try and overcome us. And through that way, we will reach towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imam Ali in Hikmah number 211, in the 4th part, is telling us, stay away from the deceiver.